Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the part 7 of the LINQ tutorial series. In this video we are going to talk about any extension method. So there is an extension method called any, and whenever we are learning any method, we must understand there is another method which is all. So I will discuss both the methods, any and all. So let's get started. So I will try to show an example. Actually, I will show an example and by which you will be able to understand. So we have the employees list, right? Now what does it do? So any method is basically, it returns a boolean value. It will return either true or false, okay, based on a certain condition. Now if you don't put any condition within the any method, if you don't provide any value or if you don't pass any argument, then by default it returns true. So let's see, var, okay, let the name of the variable is emp, just a random name, okay, is emp, then employees dot any. So you can see, right, it determines whether a sequence contains any elements. So basically based on that it will return a boolean value, true or false. Now if I don't pass any arguments and if I try to print that is m variable, okay, so what we should get? Now if we try to print this, so you can see by default we are getting true, as I said, right? But now we will try to provide a condition, okay, using the lambda expression. Now you can see we have department ID as 1 2 3. So if you provide a condition like e arrow e dot department ID equals to 3, then what should be the output? It should be true, right? Because we have a element, at least we should have a element with that specific condition. That's why it is any, okay. We don't so that is the criteria basically. So if there is only one element, then also it will be true, okay. So if I run this application, you will be able to see it is giving, it should give us true, right? It is true. Now if you put it is very straightforward, I think you understood. Now if I change the value to 4, we should be getting false, right? Let's see, build succeeded and this is false. Now so we understood what any does in like what is the meaning of this particular extension method any, okay. Now let's see what all is. So there is another extension method which is all, okay. Now if you put this condition, right, all, you can see it determines whether all elements of a sequence satisfies a condition. So this particular extension method will return true if and only if all the elements of the sequence satisfy that particular condition, then only we will be getting the true value, otherwise we won't. So we have only one element, right? Okay, we have only one employee whose department ID is 3. Now if you pass this condition within the all extension method, then it should return false, because all the employees don't have the department ID as 3. So that is the difference between all and any. I hope you understood, right? That's how it works. So I think that's it for today's video. If you like this content, please give it a thumb and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any query, let me know in the comment section, and that's all. Thank you.